wrecking ball of my rap for stupidity.
This is Synobius Production.
A wrecking round for stupidity of myself.
Life goes on and on, baby, life goes on and on. Life goes on and on, life goes on. Life goes on and on, living now before it's on.
A wrecking round for stupidity of my stoop there. I thought I was knocking down the temple, yo, just looking at the booty. I'm the one that got fucked, stuck with child support. I'm a nut. Came to see my fucking children. Wrecking around for stupidity, a stupor, knocking down the temples of strength to capture a mother of nature, capturing a bottle. A wrecking around for shot, a dick not got. Yes, my math, I'm spitting child in half. Child support got me fucked up. Wrecking Ralph, of course, my stupor.
Life goes on and on, life goes on and on, baby, life goes on and on. Life goes on and on, life goes on, life goes on and on, living now before it's on.
Wrecking Ralph, stuck in my stupor. I don't know where to go. I was looking for love, but you so stupid, yo. I was blinded by I'm stuck in emotion, don't know where I'm supposed to go. But you said, yo, I'm your hoe. Trucking, lucking, stuck in love in a bedroom, a trucking and fucking and love and sucking, and now a courtroom, and it got me fucked up. Looking at my children and cut in half, or stuck in a Ralph and Rocket cinema. Stuck in a stupor, knocking down the temples. I'm looking out at a booty. I'm just wanted to get a buck. I got fucked up, stuck in between jail cells because I can't pay child support.
Life goes on and on, life goes on and on, baby, life goes on and on. Life goes on and on, life goes on, life goes on and on, living now before it's on.
You said you love me, but you just love money. Now the fucking child stuck in between this shit.